Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Karahi potatoes. For this I have taken 2 to 3 potatoes. They are sliced and I have soaked them in the water so that they should not discolor. 1 medium onion chopped, 2 to 3 tomatoes chopped, half cup of oil, salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic, 2 to 3 green chilies sliced and a handful of coriander leaves. Now first of all I'll heat the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will wait for the oil to get heated. Now oil is heated and now I'll add in cumin seeds, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and onion. And I'll fry them till onion is translucent. Now onion is translucent and now I'll add in garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And after adding garlic, I'll give it a good stir. Now after frying garlic with the onions, I'll add in half of the tomatoes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'll cook them till tomatoes are tender. Now, tomatoes are tender but they are not mashed. At this stage, I'll add in all the spices except black pepper. And now I'll cook this till tomatoes are mashed. Now tomatoes are completely mashed. They have turned into a paste form. At this stage, now I'll add in potatoes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and remaining tomatoes. And now I'll cook this covered till potatoes are completely tender. Now potatoes are tender. See this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I'll add in coriander leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Green chilies. And black pepper. And now I'll cook this covered for 5 to 7 minutes more. And now after 7 minutes I am removing the lid. And these potatoes are done. Karahi potatoes are ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.